and welcome to another session of Reiki. My name is Albert, and I'm your Grandmaster. Let's focus on taking care of your body. There's certain parts of the body that need repair. You can focus on your cell, which is your cellular, your skeleton, your muscular, your nervous system, cranial nerve. Let's take care of that. All right, let's do the cranial nerve. We're using a higher frequency on the sessions for today. So you know something different. And a couple other things are different too. Each session is different. They're not all the same. They all help different things. So we're taking care of the cranial nerves. The cranial nerve is from your scalp all throughout your body. So we're going to do body scanning. Take this crystal and go through your body like so. You're going to scan your back, scan the back of your neck, lower back pain, upper back pain, leg, feet, and ankles. These are the places that you have pain. Pain around your head, ears, eyes, mouth, throat. These are the places. By the way, I want to get your attention. Hey, help me out by subscribing to the channel. Become a channel subscriber. If you want to become a channel member, you hit that join button, because somebody did ask about that. The join button, it's next to the subscribe button. If you already subscribed and you see a subscribe plus, you click on that, and that too will allow you to become a member. I didn't realize that there was a little problem there. So if you see these things, there is sometimes, it should say join, but it does say subscribe with a plus. I don't know what happened. Maybe they're updating. I don't know, but hey. But if you want to be a member, it'd be great. Thank you very much, because you're helping me monthly and daily. Okay? Thank you very much. And thank you, subscribers, for helping me daily. And also, members, thank you for your monthly support. I do appreciate it. And you have sessions every day. And this session is a little bit different, more personal. And we're going to help you with your body. We all have body pain. It could be your heels. Sometimes you have heel spur. Sometimes you have ankle pain, calf pain, you get cramps, your thighs, pain in your thighs, pain all over the place. But that's what Reiki does. Reiki helps that pain. And that's why we're doing the cranial nerve, the nervous system, because we're working with the body's energy. And the life force energy is the body's energy. And I place my hand on your crown, and it shakes. And we're working on your body. Like that. And it's going right through your body. Right through your body, all the way down to your feet, head to toe. That's it. The cranial nervous system, because it's your nerves. Up and down, in the back, around your neck, and in your front, all over. Your sensation, the feel, because you want to feel, right? Sensation, the feel. You feel. The sensation, and you want to feel. You want to feel. Then when when you kiss somebody, you get that goosebumps feeling. Again, nerves. It's tingling feeling. You feel that emotion. It just comes over you. You get that. It's sometimes hard to describe when you feel that way. It's good, but how do you feel that way? Because your nerves, everything's working. And you want to feel that greatness, that energy. Like the other day, one of the cats. We have a tabby cat, the gray and white, the gray and black. We have a tuxedo cat, okay, black black and white, and we have a calico cat. The calico cat wasn't feeling well. When the calico cat's not eating, I said, whoa, before we go rush to the vet and pay that high debit bill, it's gotta watch out. So I said, I'm good with animals, and I have the ability to help heal that animal. I put my hand on the calico's head, and another one on its stomach, and my hands shake. You gotta do it several times. And you have to believe, you want the cat to be better. It took a while, but the cat got better. The cat is better now. Jumping around, playing, not around. Yeah, that happened last weekend. So now, okay, you too feel. Yeah, put my hand on top of your head. Not a hand on your belly or your chest, whatever it is. We're just working on the nerves now, okay? So the cat and animals is a little different. They have 7 chakras. They have the crown, and they have the 6 chakras in the back, okay? And in the tummy is the other chakras too. They have the same thing. Because when I have my German Shepherd, I help heal him as well. He used to suffer from his pores when he would run too much. The pores would tear, and I would use something to take care of that. I'm also a medicine man. I do medicine. But, medicine man where we have herbs and spices, not that kind of the drug stuff. All right, so I just know what to use. On the dog, he's all right. He was all right. They healed the pores, and I wrap up the pores, and I made little booties for him, and he walked on the booties to protect his pores. But now the cat don't have that problem. I never said the cat had problems like that. But again with the fleas too. My German Shepherd had no fleas. I would take it to the county to get a yearly shot or 3-year shot for, I forget what it's for. I guess it's rabies or whatever it is. Right? They said, "Wow, no flea on him." That's right. You won't see no flea. I just know what to use. But like I said, the cat, the dog, and my own self, I heal myself. It takes time, and like I said, watch the session repeatedly to help you, okay? Always see a professional, for things that can't be healed. Reiki can only do so much, okay? But it works with the life force energy. And then if we come to you and have our hands over, you feel the warmth in the healing. Even by our touch, either a master or a grandmaster or a practitioner. Us grandmasters have more experience and we know what to do. And we have more power, the healing power to help heal. And we do spiritual, mentally, physical. But there's only so much you can do. But it's help. Here, I help you in your daily life. Because we all need someone to help. We all need to feel that goodness and that peace. But the cranial nerve to help heal the body. I put my hand on your body. If you allow it, place my hand on you. And I shake you a little bit, but you feel that healing. You feel it. And since you're not here, but you're here right now with me, I'm here with you. I mean physically, right in my presence. You're watching me. You tell me what it is, or you focus on the healing. Where on your body is hurting you? Your fingers, your nerves, is your hand shaking like this? All these things. If the hand is shaking like that, go seek a professional right away, okay? Anything that you cannot get that quick relief from, you need to see a professional. If what we do here help, that's good. But can only do so much. But it's life force energy that we take. The crystals, it's just an amplification from what we do. I use high-powered magnets. I use these. You can hear it now. You hear it? Those are very high-powered. Those are 800. They're very powerful. 2 of them alone is 1600. The more you have, the more they can. I can't tell you how I use them, but I can tell you I use them. I'm using them all the time. Actually, I'm wearing some too. It amplifies my healing abilities and make it stronger. But magnetic field is another option. But to help you in Reiki, spiritually and psychically, I use psychic energy as well to make you feel good. And I'll let you know when I'm using psychic energy. Right now, we're not using psychic energy. We're just using the Reiki energy right now to guide the hand over your hand. You'll feel a warmth, and you feel it through, and go up and down your chest, all the way down your back, all the way down to your feet, back of your feet, go through your toes, go through everything until you say, hey, that's where the pain is, that's what we focus on. Even go deep tissue with the hands right into that pain, using now acupressure. Acupressure is your hands. You go right into the pain, knowing where the pressure points are. Okay, just like in the session I did for the tapping. That tapping, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're tapping your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right out here. The glasses are in the way. And you go underneath the eye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Underneath the chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's happening here? We're hitting pressure points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then on top of your head, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you completely run the circle. And you do it for 10, 15, 20 minutes. Constantly. You're helping yourself relax. You help yourself feel calm. That's the tapping therapy. But I do it in Reiki because we're using Reiki energy as well to help you. Ooh. Of course, I gotta help you. Well, I want you to help you, make you feel calm, cool, relaxed, loved. It's a whole bunch of things. There's so many different parts, but to help you feel at ease. So here, with the body scanning, going through your body and healing your body. Any crystal will work, whatever crystal you want. I use selenite, all those rolling crystals on the roller. You put them in your face, because some people want a face chain, So it's also healing your face too. Or like some people, I put my hand right on the face and focus to regenerate, to heal. It's like a warmth comes from my hands right on your face. I think I look good for my age, though. But I do. I'm telling you the truth. I don't look my late father, and I heard what he had. Whatever he had, we never age. It's weird, Not age to the point that you look too old. Some people have that. A lot of actors have it too. But again, as a healer, I'm helping you feel good and helping you feel that healing. And we're gonna put that crystal. This is my favorite crystals, and I've used these crystals in the hospital. Like I said, I had a friend of mine, they said, hey, my friend got into an accident. They've been in a coma for a long time. Can I take you there? Would you try to help? I did. It's my crystals. Because you're not allowed to bring fire, sage, or burn anything. You can bring spray, energy healing spray with the magnets in it, Oops. And you want to heal. So healing you with the same crystals and healing you to make you feel alive, make you feel the healing. So I place the crystals all around, put my hands around the body, and all of a sudden the EKG machine went crazy. The nurse comes running in, and what's going on? And her friend from Macomb, the eyes open up. But like I said to the family, it takes time. Not one session can do it all. They had many Reiki masters go in there, and nothing happened. Hey, with me it happened. It was a good feeling for me. I'm glad I accomplished something. You know, I said, yeah, I'll give it a shot, and a good experience for me to go inside a hospital and help. You know. But if I given the opportunity, I can't promise anything, but you know, at least I can make an attempt. Make an attempt to help heal and make you feel good. Because that's the whole point of all of this, is to make you feel good, to make you feel healed. Because that's what you want. You want to feel that healing inside. You want to feel that peace inside. And it takes time. Oh. Yes, this different kind of music. Recording at the same time. Well, because that's what I want for you all. I want you to feel music, healing music, directly from me. Oh, there's another crystal I have. There's another. I have so many crystals. And I mean, one of our members sent me a lot of gifts on crystals to help heal us. Here's one here. Indigo Gabbro, a stone to transform and enhance intuition and psychic abilities. It's deepen meditation and balances emotions and fosters spiritual growth, known in a connection for higher realms, to open the third eye to improve communication with the spiritual guides. That's great. You take this crystal, we program this crystal with love and light and goodness for all. We program this crystal with love and light and goodness for all. May this crystal serve its purpose and help heal. And that's what you do. And I would put this crystal over my head and open up the other world. And while we are over there now, right now, focus on that opening that world. I haven't seen anything tonight. I haven't seen any negative energy or anything red. It's light frequency. So there's different color frequency. Okay? Red, yellow, green, and purple. Purple, as a psychic, takes you into the other realm. Okay? And you'll be amazed what you see in there. It's all good, by the way. But you gotta protect yourself. You know, just don't want to jump right in. There's a different color if you do a shaman. Shaman sees green, and the Reiki, it's purple. Okay, this green means different up there, but it go from red, gold, and then green opens up that door. Here it's different. It's gonna be red, gold, which is yellow, then green, and then the purple door opens up, and you go right in there. Now sometimes in these sessions we have gone that way, but don't worry, it's all good. All right, and I can protect you. All right, but anyway, in this session I hope you feel healed. Okay, the crown, the whole entire head, your eyes, your ears, your mouth, your nose, your face, your skin, because you want your skin to feel healed. You want the throat, your heart, the chest, and all the organs, everything that has to do with the nervous system, all the way down to your feet, and the back of your feet, and coming up from the back end, and all the way up to the lower back, and all the way up to the upper shoulders, everything you want healed, all the arms, all the calves, and everything you want healed, that needs to be healed. Okay? Okay. Hey, thank you for watching. And remember, if you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button. I do appreciate your time, and watch the session repeatedly to help you. To help you with your nervous system, which is the cranial nerve. Thanks again for watching. Okay? Take care. Bye for now.